The temperature is holding steady at 4.5 degrees.
Origin and health certificates match the manifest. We can accept the shipment.
Workers use barcode scanning systems integrated with inventory software, ensuring complete supply chain transparency and recording weight, grade, and supplier information. The pH level is within the acceptable range, confirmed against the supplier quality agreement. We can approve this batch.
We need 500 square feet of the grade A buffalo.
This batch matches the specification.
Our dedicated quality control laboratory ensures optimal viewing conditions as we systematically examine every hide for defects and variations. The shoulder readings are consistently hitting 3.5 millimeters.
Perfect. We can place the main panels there and use the 0.8 sections for the trim.
Texture Analysis Station utilizes stereoscopic examination equipment, providing three-dimensional surface analysis, allowing an inspector to document the characteristic water buffalo skin pattern.
The UV spectrum reveals uneven tanning here.
Confirmed. The fiber structure is weak, assigning defect code 7.4 WAR.
Analytical Chemistry Laboratory conducts comprehensive material characterization using ion chromatography, analyzing sulfur and chloride concentrations, verifying the water buffalo hide contains no prohibited substances.
The defect distribution and thickness profile are below specifications. We have a clear nonconformance.
I agree. The data is consistent across the batch.
Initiate corrective action.
Lower it slowly, watch the clearance.
Copy that. Moving to station 3.
First stage washing operation begins as workers load approximately 450 kilograms of water buffalo hides. Water buffalo hides tumbling at 12 RPM, delivering enhanced cleaning effectiveness as chemical surfactants remove embedded dirt. Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates membrane filtration technology, removing particles down to zero.
Okay, bring it over here.
Visual looks good, but the toughness shows an issue right here. This needs targeted cleaning.
Secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing egg solutions targeting carbohydrate-based contaminants.
The clean hasn't sufficiently removed all the contaminants in the folds. We need additional processing cycles.
Local concentration.
The final washing stage utilizes alkaline-adjusted cleaners at pH 8.0 for final treatment, specifically designed.
Comprehensive rinsing protocol implements 3 consecutive rinse cycles using 6,200 liters, ensuring complete chemical.
This hide is clean, systematic inspection complete. Looks good for premium production. The pH is steady at 7.0.
Residuals are clear, well below 50 ppm. Moisture content checks out.
Excellent. Batch authorized for release.
Hispanic female workers carefully submerge the cleaned water buffalo hides into 12,000-liter concrete vats lined with acid-resistant epoxy coatings.
Automated sampling ports allow technicians to monitor solution pH, temperature, and hide moisture uptake.
The sensor reading is stable now.
Yes, the sulfide level is precise.
Confirmed. Recording the data now.
Operating pneumatic hoist mechanisms with adjustable speed and safe load monitoring suspended above the soaking vats.
Liming processing begins as workers load batches of 400 to 500 kilograms along.
The pH on drum 7 is spiking. Adjusting the rotation sequence now. Confirmed. Levels are stabilizing.
Laboratory analysis station employs digital microscopes with image capture and measurement software, examining thin cross-sections cut from the sample water.
The liming process approaches completion after 12 to 16 hours with enhanced chemical formulations as drumlesses.
Industrial-scale fleshing and splitting operations process water buffalo leather, utilizing high-capacity.
Professional fleshing and splitting operations proceeds as skilled Caucasian male operators manage the water buffalo hide materials through mechanical removal. The consistence is well within tolerance. This batch is approved for premium jackets.
The parameters on the German unit are holding steady. Good.
Check the thickness on the output. It looks consistent.
Industrial-scale fleshing and splitting operations process water buffalo leather through mechanical removal of.
The thickness is exact and the texture is flawless.
Excellent. This lot is approved for premium applications.
At this checkpoint, we verify the dimensional accuracy and aesthetic characteristics, ensuring luxury-grade appearance.
The stabilization is complete. This batch meets the rigorous standards.
Excellent. The texture is superb. The chromium levels look perfect on this batch. Yes, the tensile strength is exactly where we need it for the jackets.
Delivered. Industrial-scale chromium tanning processing operations utilize high-capacity processing equipment, precision measurement.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceptional.
Well above the standard for the jacket application.
Professional chromium tanning processing proceeds as skilled Caucasian male operators manage the water buffalo hide.
Industrial-scale chromium tanning processing operations utilize high-capacity processing equipment and computer.
Quality inspection passed on batch 17.67.
Excellent. Ready for the drying racks. The color penetration looks good here. Yes, the automation system is holding the parameters perfectly.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area. Water buffalo hides undergo pigment.
The penetration looks excellent.
And the spectrometer readings are well within tolerance, confirming uniformity.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where water buffalo hides undergo
The color uniformity on batch 7 is exceptional.
Yes, the penetration depth meets the sustainable standard.
Industrial-scale dyeing and color application operations process water buffalo leather through pigment penetration.
In our comprehensive testing laboratories, our leather technicians apply decades of industry expertise.
Check the moisture levels on batch 17. Parameters are stable. Adjusting the heat now.
Industrial-scale drying and conditioning operations process water buffalo leather through moisture removal and dimensional stability utilizing high-capacity processing.
Industrial-scale drying and conditioning operations process buff leather.
The spectrometer readings are excellent.
Data confirms optimal moisture levels.
Approved for premium jackets.
Fiber manipulation results are optimal. The material meets all rigorous standards.
Perfect for the jacket applications.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where water buffalo hides undergo Skilled Hispanic female operators manage the water buffalo hide materials through fiber manipulation and texture development.
Sophisticated softening and mechanical processing facility handles water buffalo hide processing through fiber manipulation and texture development, incorporating advanced manufacturing methodologies. Industrial-scale precision cutting and patternization operations process water buffalo leather. Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area, where water buffalo professional precision cutting and pattern optimization proceeds as skilled Caucasian male operators manage the water buffalo hide materials.
The hand feel on this batch is exceptional.
Data confirms the tensile strength is within tolerance for the jacket application.
The tensile strength exceeds the threshold.
Excellent. This batch is approved for the premium line.
Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues in the specialized processing area, where water buffalo hides are.
The texture on this batch is exceptional. It passes the rigorous standards for the premium jackets.